Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Velo on Coinbase wallet. First, make sure your Coinbase wallet is set up and funded with a cryptocurrency like Ethereum or Solana, depending on the network Velo is on. You'll also need a small amount of that cryptocurrency to cover network transaction fees, which are usually just a few cents. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth buying process. Next, open the dApps browser within your Coinbase wallet. Here, you'll search for a decentralized exchange or DEX that lists Velo. Popular options include Uniswap or PancakeSwap, depending on the blockchain. Once on the DEX, use its search bar to find Velo. It's always best to use the official contract address to ensure you're selecting the correct token. Now you're ready to swap. On the DEX, choose the cryptocurrency you want to exchange for Velo, such as Ethereum. Then, input the amount of Velo you wish to buy or the amount of your existing crypto you want to spend. Carefully review the transaction details, including any slippage tolerance and the estimated network fees. Once everything looks correct, confirm the swap. After confirming the swap, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. This usually takes just a few moments. Once confirmed, your new Velo tokens should appear in your Coinbase wallet's asset list. If you don't see them immediately, you might need to manually add the Velo token contract address to your wallet for it to display correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully purchased Velo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.